Alright, hey guys, this is Daniel here from Tech Tutorials 101 with another video. In this video we're going to install VirtualBox, show you guys how to set it all up and set up your first Windows Server 2012 machine in VirtualBox. So what VirtualBox is it allows you to run VMs on your laptop, desktop, or even server. This is a free tool which anyone can download as a really good alternative to VMware or Hyper-V. So we're going to go to the VirtualBox website, which we can see here, virtualbox.org. We're going to download the installer. Then you want to come down to, so you can see here we've got Windows hosts, OS X hosts, Linux distributions as well. So I'm going to click on Windows hosts. Yeah, it's going to go and download. I'll just pause the video here for a second. I'll be back when this is complete. Right, so that's the download completed. I'm going to double click on here, open up the installation. Click next. I'm going to go through, make sure all the drivers are there. Next. Create start menu, everything like that. Very simple installation. Just saying here that would temporarily disconnect you from the network, and that's just to install certain Oracle drivers to enable networking features within VirtualBox. So we just click yes and install, and then we just get these pop-ups to install these drivers. So we just click on install on there. So it's finished. Now we're just going to start Oracle VM VirtualBox. It comes up here. You can see as I've had it before, so I've got some other VMs in here as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on New VM. And then what we want to do is we want to come down here to select our OS. So I'm going to use a 2012 64-bit. Then we've got the machine folder here. And we'll just type in this machine. Next. 2 GB RAM, virtual hard disk, create. So I'm going to use a virtual hard disk, and then fixed size. So it says here the dynamically allocated. So what that will do is as the hard disk fills up, the actual file size will change. So you just got to be wary of that if you put it on a small drive, or if you're limited on space, you probably want to go for the fixed size. So we go next. It's file location size, so I'm going to increase that. So around 30 GB, just so we have enough for the OS. I'm just going to stick it into another location, just so enough space for it. And then we're going to click create. Right, as we can see, it's going to take a bit of time for this to get created. So I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when it's done. Right, so now that's the fixed hard drive created. We can see we've got the Windows 2012 test VM here. Then we can just go and add our ISO to get it booted up. So you want to come down to settings, down to storage, and you can see we've got empty disk here, and you just want to select this disk icon here, choose a file. Mine's already on suggestions, but you can just go through here and select it itself. So I've got my 2012 ISO here, and select open, select OK, then we're just going to select start. And then we're just going to select our startup disk. Let's just go here. See the console is just loading those files. Now I'm just going to go through these installation settings, so once the machine's all ready to go, I'll bring back the video. Right, so as you can see, that's all ready to go. And that is the end of the tutorial. As mentioned before, this is a great alternative to VMware or Hyper-V. This will allow you to get up and running and testing virtualization technologies. I will be making more videos on VirtualBox. If you have any further suggestions for this, please let me know in the comments and please subscribe.